Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles reported more than 570 motorcycle crashes in Collier, Lee, and Charlotte counties in 2023.
When I see motorcycle, I'm prepared for the worst. They're very injured, most of them that come in. A lot of them have pretty significant pelvic injuries, head injuries.
Injuries were reported more than 85% of the time, and 8% of motorcycle crashes were fatal. It's one of the reasons trauma surgeon Dr. James Kasiewicz preaches the importance of protective gear and helmets.
You'll see significant damage to the helmet and the patient doesn't have any injuries in their brain. And I think to myself, well, if they didn't have a helmet on, that could be their brain.
Motor vehicle collisions are one of the top 2 trauma alerts that doctors see in the trauma center.
Motorcyclists need to understand that they're almost invisible at times to cars. That people can't see them, even if they're checking their mirrors, even if they're watching out. So it's really just the reality of everyone watching out for each other.
Slow down, avoid distractions, and never get behind the wheel if you're under the influence.
One mistake or one bad decision can affect the rest of your life, and you have to live with that.
Simple steps that can help prevent a tragedy. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.